Welcome back, builders. This is it, the finale. In part 1, we build the brain, the agent that generates unique viral ideas. In part 2, we build the body, the system that turns those ideas into actual video files. But right now, that video is just a file sitting on a server somewhere. It has no views, it has no audience. So today in part 3, we are building the distributor. We are going to build the final piece of the automation that takes that finished video file and broadcasts it to the world, posting to YouTube Shorts and TikTok automatically. Once we connect this last wire, your machine is complete. It will run 24/7 creating and posting content while you sleep. Let's finish this build.
Okay folks, let's map out the final leg of the journey. We are handling 3 steps today. First, we need to move the video file from the render engine to our social media publisher. Then, we need to send it to YouTube, and finally, we send it to TikTok. For this tutorial, I'm using a tool called Blotato because it has dedicated n8n nodes that make this incredibly easy. You can use AirShare or standard HTTP request if you prefer. The logic remains the same. That was step 1, the transfer. Our video currently lives on the key AI server. We need to move it. I added the Blotato Upload Media node. I took the result URL from our previous step. Remember, that's the link to our finished video, and I mapped it right here. This node grabs that video file and uploads it securely to our publishing dashboard, ready for distribution. Alright, that was step 2, the YouTube blast. This is where the magic really connects. We aren't just posting a video, we're posting the story we generated in part 1. I added the create post YouTube node. So look closely at what I did. I reached all the way back to our idea agent node from part 1 and dragged in the title and description. So the AI brain wrote the title, the AI Hollywood made the video, and now the distributor is putting them together. Also notice I checked contains synthetic media. This keeps us safe and compliant with YouTube's new AI rules. Alright, that was step 3, the TikTok blast. We want maximum reach, so we aren't stopping at YouTube. I added the create post TikTok node. I mapped the same media URL from our uploader, and I mapped the title from our agent. This is the power of automation. One trigger, one idea, one video file, but now it's living on 2 different platforms simultaneously. You can do the same thing. You can expand this to Instagram, Facebook, whatever social platform you like, all through these nodes. Alright, so I'm gonna hit the final 2 steps. So I executed the create post for YouTube and I hit the execute workflow for TikTok. And now the moment of truth. And there it is, guys, the full picture. The alarm rings, The brain thinks, Hollywood films, and the distributor publishes. I just hit execute and look, it created a video on TikTok and YouTube, both at the same time. We have our video with the AI written title, the AI written description, uploaded and ready to go. We have just built a fully autonomous media company that fits on a single screen. All right, guys, so I'm throwing this in for the sake of completeness. Setting up a Blotato account is pretty straightforward, but in case you want to have a reference, this is it. So sign up for an account, get the monthly membership, and then you need to create your API key. All right, you generate an API key, and then you need to connect all of the accounts that you need to connect. So it's going to look something like this. If I go into the settings and then accounts, you can log into your Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, whatever, and all your connected accounts are going to be down here. And then you need to go into your API and you create a new key, and then copy that key and paste it into your n8n Blotato node. The link to this document is help.blotato.com/API/start. And the authentication is pretty straightforward. You need to have your API key pasted into the section over there. So let's just head to my n8n node. So this is the API key. So I'm just going to paste that in, and it's going to connect it successfully. So there it is. Thank you.
You did it. You are no longer just an operator. You are an architect. You have built a system that gives you leverage. While others are grinding away manually editing videos, your system is doing the heavy lifting so you can focus on the strategy. Now, if you want this exact workflow with all the code, the prompts, and the settings I used in this series, the complete blueprint along with the workflow template is available in the description. And listen, this is just the beginning. We can build agents for email, for sales, for research. The possibilities are endless. If you are ready to keep building with me, please subscribe. And do me a favor, comment below, I am an architect. Let me know you made it to the end of the series. I read and reply to every single one of you. Work flows, mind clears. Let's keep building. See you in the next build.